we are a little bit drunk. I have the great pleasure to be with Adriana Horner and her family in this beautiful town that is also my hometown, is Caccamo, the beautiful medieval town of Caccamo. And today I'm very happy because I'm already met Adriana last year during our Sicily Lovers Tour, and now she's enjoying a private tour of Sicily with her family. Adriana, welcome to Caccamo again.
Ciao, grazie, grazie. Pleasure to be here again. This is my favorite town in the whole world, not only because I was born here, but because all my beautiful family is still here. And this time I bring my grandson, my son, my daughter-in-law, and her mother, Elisa. And these are all my beautiful cousins here. And we had a beautiful lunch together. And we hope to see each other again. Huh?
Bravata family is the name of the family.
This is the Bravata family. We have a lot of Angelas because my grandmother was Angela. So the firstborn was Angela in every family. And we have 10. We have 10 Angelas and 10 Santos because of my grandfather. So that's our tradition.
Adriana, you are American, but you was born here in Caccamo.
In Caccamo, yes. I was born in Caccamo.
You were born here, and so Sicilian blood in your veins.
Yes, and in my heart.
What about your feeling again here in your hometown?
Every time I come here, I just get very emotional. And I was 6 years old when I left, so I was a baby. But whatever I learned when I was 6 years old, I still speak the dialect. And that's how I communicate with all my cousins.
Would you like to say something in Sicilian to our Sicilians family that are watching us?
Sure, what can I say?
Sogno appi un bello mangiare, sogno contenta di essere qua a Caccamo?
Sì. Siamo qua a Caccamo, tutta la famiglia mia. Siamo contenti, mangiamo un bello pranzo, beviamo un bello bicchiere di vino, facciamo una torta per piccirillo mia.
Abbiamo mangiato la torta scritta da...
Sì.
come si chiama?
Was the baby birthday?
John's birthday. Il piccirillo fa un anno e noi divertiamo tutti. E il piccirillo è contento di essere qua in Caccamo. Saluti per tutti i miei cugini e tutta la mia famiglia che siamo qui in Caccamo. Sono onorata che avete venuto a tutti. In onore di mio padre, Giuseppe Bravata, miei nonni, Santo Bravata e Angelina Sampognaro, che siamo tutti famiglia di miei nonni, siamo tutti insieme oggi. Ringrazio a tutti. Sono felice di essere in Caccamo un'altra volta, il paese della mia nascita, il paese dei miei genitori e miei nonni. Grazie, grazie a tutti.
This is just half of the family, because the rest already went. many relatives are watching in the States. So say something to your relatives in the States.
No, I want to thank my cousin Adriana and che fai questo?
Don't be shy, it's the microphone. Too much wine.
Okay, excuse me, scusate. I just want to say thank you to my cousin Adriana, with your son Anthony, and the wife Gina, this beautiful baby who's gonna be 1 year and 18. So we celebrate his birthday in Giacomo. Maybe we're never gonna forget. It was very nice to have them together. Bye bye.
Very touching. It's very touching, and Adriana will come back again to Giacomo and spend more time with her relatives.
That's right. Hopefully next year we do another tour with Rosella. She's the best tour in the world. Her and Gianca. They're like family. They really are.
We are like family. We met for the first time last year, and from that time we established a beautiful relationship. A friendship, sorry, but it's a kind of relationship.
Friendship, familyship.
So say hello to all your relatives in the States.
Charlie, Steve, Roselle.
And it's time to say all together. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily, from Giacomo. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Ciao.